concludes our broadcast in German. This program can be heard from 0300 to 0315 Bangkok time or 2000 to 2015 GMT.
This is HSK9, Radio Thailand's World Service, broadcasting from the Public Relations Department in Bangkok. This is HSK9, Radio Thailand's World Service, broadcasting from the Public Relations Department in Bangkok. Thailand's World Service, broadcasting from the Public Relations Department in...
This is HSK9, Radio Thailand World Service, broadcasting from Bangkok for listeners in Asia and the Pacific, the Middle East and Africa, Europe and America. It is now time for our broadcast in English for listeners in Europe.
This is Radio Thailand News.
Today is Tuesday, July 10th of 2018, and this is Radio Thailand News Hour, and you're with me, Sandra Han Utsaha.
And with me, Chawarachin Jaranon.
Starting off our national news. The Prime Minister promises quick help for the remaining youngsters in Luang Cave and those missing from a capsized boat in Phuket province. Meanwhile, the Ministry of Commerce is set to investigate the two operators of the capsized tour boat. And on the business agenda, Deputy Prime Minister Dr. Somkit Satipitak urges agencies to implement the government's policies before the election.
All those top headlines and many more coming up.
News.
Now have a look at today's national stories. First up, Prime Minister General Prayut Chan-o-cha has promised quick help for the remaining youth soccer players in Luang Cave, while also wishing well those still missing after a boat capsized in Phuket province.